This is the NETGEAR AC 1200 dual band range Wi-Fi range extender. So it's supposed to boost your existing Wi-Fi and has a dual band Wi-Fi up to 1200 megabytes per second, and it supports new 802.11 AC and BGN Wi-Fi devices. Also, this is high power external antennas for better performance, and it is supposed to work with any Wi-Fi router. So let's see if it does, because I'm gonna try to connect it after I'm done with this unboxing. So basically, it comes with just the Wi-Fi extender that you need to plug in to a socket. So that's it. That's the only thing that came with it, plus the instruction. So the Wi-Fi extender has the power connector, the WPS button, the power on and off button, and the factory reset button. It also has the Ethernet port. I showed that earlier.